Now, I must admit, I am no dashcam expert, but as an avid follower of cars and therefore car accessories, I've been following dashcam products that have been available for a number of years now. And every time I look at a new top 10 list or a yearly best of dashcam list, this one in particular seems to pop up on every single one of them. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the VIOFO A119M Pro, a 4K dashcam featuring a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. And by all reports from numerous testers and online reviews, it seems to be universally acclaimed as one of the best value dashcams that you can get in the world today. So I want to know if the hype is real by putting it through its paces on today's episode of Beyond EV, your home for new energy vehicles. Hi everyone, David here from Beyond EV, and today I'll be reviewing the VIOFO A119M Pro 4K dashcam. And now, if you've never heard of VIOFO before, it may sound like a cheap knockoff brand to you, but those in the know will already know that VIOFO is legit and they make really good, high quality dashcams. Now, I want to make this clear that this is not a sponsored video, but full disclosure, VIOFO did send this out to me for free to review on the channel. I could have said no, but I didn't, because this is not the first time I had heard of the A119M Pro. In fact, the reason I said yes is because I myself binge watch a lot of YouTube myself, and I had seen this particular model pop up on a Best Dashcams of 2026 list by Vortex Radar, a dedicated dashcam review channel with over 160,000 subscribers. And I'd actually also seen a previous generation of this model show up on a Best Dashcams list of 2026 published by Linus Tech Tips. That's right, the Linus Tech Tips, and that video now has over 1.4 million views. I had to see for myself if the hype is actually real or if it's just a bunch of paid boss posts that I'm seeing everywhere. Well, I have the VIOFO A119M Pro with me right here, right now. So I think it's time to cut to the chase, unbox it, and see what it's all about. The VIOFO A119M Pro, and it comes packaged in this white and red box that is very well presented, and down the side you'll see some of the key features this product provides, but it's time to remove the plastic wrap and get it out of the box. And when you do remove this plastic sheath, you'll find that this outer box covers up an inner box, which then opens up, and you have a service card at the very top, and underneath that is the A119M Pro itself. And I was actually surprised by how small this thing is. Look how small it is in my hands. It is a very tidy little unit. But underneath its foam casing, you'll find the full user manual. But if you can't be bothered reading that, there is also a quick start guide as well, which gets you set up in about 5 or 6 steps. And underneath that is a massive VIOFO dashcam sticker, which I'm sure everyone puts on their car with the dashcam. And you've got these protective plastic sheets to put on your windshield to make it easy to remove the dashcam after it's been installed. And you've got another section under that which contains a trim removal tool, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a lens filter, your 12-volt socket adapter power cable, and a couple of replacement adhesive packs as well. But this is what you get in the box. So now let's take a closer look at the key features that the VIOFO A119M Pro has to offer. The VIOFO A119M Pro is a recent update to the ever popular A119 Mini 2. And the biggest upgrade to the M Pro is its resolution. It can now record at 4K at 30 frames per second, while the previous Mini 2 could only record at 2K. The A119M Pro features a Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor, and that enables the ability to have multiple exposure HDR, and this allows clear capturing of license plates even at night and even when vehicles are in motion. The M Pro now also features Wi-Fi 6, and this enables extremely fast video transfers, making moving videos from the camera to your phone or PC quick and convenient. It also features voice control capabilities and allows you to take photos or even lock videos hands-free just using voice controls directly to the dashcam. There is also an onboard GPS module which records the vehicle's location as well as the vehicle's speed, which it can overlay onto the video itself. The M19 Pro also features an advanced parking mode, which basically turns it into a sentry mode for your car and can record incidents while the car is parked, although the dashcam needs to be hardwired to your car for this to work. Luckily, VIOFO also make a hardwire kit available for the M Pro. The included CPL filter in the package also means it can reduce glare off your windshield if that's an issue you've had before with previous dashcams. But on top of all of this, VIOFO also provide a pretty comprehensive companion app which is available on both Google Play as well as the Apple Store. And with the app, you'll be able to see what the camera is seeing in live time. But in addition to this, you'll also be able to quickly and easily transfer recordings from the device directly onto your phone at any time without having to hook up any wires or remove any SD cards. So those are the main features of the VIOFO A119M Pro, but now I think it's time to take a look and see what the image quality is actually like. Okay, out on the road now with both the VIOFO A119M Pro and the onboard BYD dashcam, and it's a bit of an overcast day. There's a little bit of glare. It's about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's quite clear and light outside. So I'm recording through my microphone now, but I'm going to switch over to what it sounds like through the VIOFO because it does record sound. So this is now what it sounds like through the VIOFO dashcam. And what do you think? Is the audio clear? Remember, the device is on the passenger side of where I am, and there's no clear line of sight between me and the dashcam either. The rear vision mirror is in the way, but it should be clear enough to at least record what is being said in the cabin during an incident. So if you did catch an incident occurring, you can verbally say out the number plate that you've seen that might have been missed on the camera. That's always a good thing to do, just so you've got a record of it. Because one thing that the BYD dashcam doesn't do is record audio. So that's one thing that inbuilt dashcams tend to not feature, and that's audio recording, and that could be for privacy reasons or whatever reasons they might be. The onboard dashcam doesn't record audio. So if anything, that's one reason to get an external dashcam, to get an audio recording. This is the vision that you're seeing right now from the VIOFO dashcam, but now let's switch to the BYD onboard dashcam and see what the quality is like from that. And as you can see, there is a bit of glare on the window. Like the dashcam camera, I would say from the BYD dashcam, is closer to the window than the dashcam, than the VIOFO dashcam. And yet you still see the dashboard reflecting off the window into the camera. That's probably due in part because it doesn't have a filter on it, whereas the VIOFO A119M Pro comes with an additional filter. You can option to have it fitted or not fitted, but I have it fitted because I know with the onboard dash cam that I use that I get glare off the dash onto the window. So to avoid that, I've fitted the filter. You might not need it, and if you don't need it, you'll end up with a slightly brighter picture because the filter does filter out light. So you will have a slightly lower exposure, I guess. It lets less light into the sensor. So it might not be as effective at night, but we'll put that to the test. So this is what it looks like during the day, broad daylight, overcast outside. The sun's not out at the moment. I'm probably not going to be able to record any with sun because it's forecast to be doomy and gloomy over the next few days. But I'll put these both side by side so you can see for yourself right now what the quality is like between the VIOFO A119M Pro and the BYD onboard dash cam. And you tell me down in the comments which one looks better to you. And also tell me in the comments what little details can you see on, say, the VIOFO over the BYD, because the VIOFO dashcam is a 4K Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, whereas the BYD camera, I believe, is only 1080p, and I've got no idea what brand sensor they use, but let me know down in the comments. So that's what both of these look like during the day. Now let's switch over and see what they both look like and how they perform at nighttime. Now I've got both cameras side by side at night, and this is a fairly well lit main road, and just reviewing the footage, I noticed that the BYD camera is brighter, and I think that's because the CPL filter is still on the VIOFO, but the VIOFO is showing significantly more detail, and that would just be due to the better Sony sensor that's in it. It's able to accept more image data, and that means it can visualize more detail. So you'll be able to see license plate numbers and things like that at night a lot more clearly. And we'll pull up here and let's see what these number plates on this car in front of us look side by side close up. And I'm just going to pause the video here as the car has just taken off. It's only a couple of meters ahead of me right now, and as you can see, you can no longer see the number plate on the BYD dashcam, and that's the downside of having a lower quality image sensor with lower resolution. And also, like I said before, it was letting in more light, and because my headlights are now hitting that number plate, you can no longer see it because too much light is coming into the sensor. Whereas on the VIOFO dashcam, you can still see it clearly and it's still legible. So this is what it looks like on a well-lit road. Now let's go to a side street with a little bit less lighting and see how they perform there. And on the more poorly lit road, you can definitely see the BYD inbuilt dashcam starting to struggle now. There is a lot more noise and graininess in the BYD camera, whereas the VIOFO camera still looks relatively clear. There is a little bit of noise in that image, but that's expected on such a dark night. But just look at the clouds. You can just see all the noise filtering through. And I'm going to try and just pause the video here because I want to be able to see what we can from this car that's driving past us. And if we zoom in on the BYD camera, and as you can see absolutely nothing. It is just a white blob. Now let's zoom in using the VIOFO A119M Pro, and you still can't make out the complete number plate, but you can make out some characters. You can see that there's an S on the end, that could be a Z or a 2 at the front, and I believe that third character is a G. You can make out some, which is something. It's better than absolutely nothing, which is what we got on the inbuilt dashcam. So there you have it. That was the VIOFO A119M Pro, and it's a pretty compact unit, but packs a pretty mean punch with its 4K resolution and Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. And if you're interested in getting your hands on one, I've got a couple of links in the description and in a pinned comment below. If you're in Australia, if you click the link that goes directly to the VIOFO global website, make sure it's the global website, not the Australian one, you can pick pretty much any VIOFO dashcam and use the discount code BeyondEV at checkout and get a discount off pretty much any VIOFO dashcam off their global store, and they ship to Australia. But if you're not in Australia, say if you're in North America, Canada, US or Mexico, there's a couple of links to a couple of VIOFO dashcam products on the US Amazon store, and if you use those links, you'll get those dashcams at a discounted rate as well. But that's it for this episode. If you like this review, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new to Beyond EV, make sure you subscribe for more new energy related content and reviews. I've got plenty more videos headed your way. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.